So we're going to study about frequency tree. What is a frequency tree? It is a way of displaying information that can be broken down into groups. So here we have an example of a frequency tree. You want to display the information in groups. Now you just read and put 30 people took literacy tests. So how many people took literacy tests? And this is literacy. 30 people took literacy tests. Out of this, they're saying 23 of the people passed the literacy tests. So from this 30, 23 have passed the literacy test. So what is remaining? Please look at the calculator down. 23 passed. That means 7 fail. Okay. Use this information to complete the frequency tree. In the numeracy test, from this 23, 21 has passed. Okay. So from 3, passed. So balance 2 have failed. Now from this 7, in the numeracy test, 3 have failed. So what is the balance? Balance 4 have passed. This is how you fill the frequency tree. Write down the number of people that passed the numeracy test. So who passed the numeracy test? If you see over here, 21 and 4. How many people passed the numeracy test? 21 plus 4, that is 25 people passed the numeracy test. Take you ahead, try this question yourself. Okay, then we will work on it. I hope you have tried this sum and then you are seeing the solution. 120 people were asked to if they prefer tea or coffee. 120 people were asked, out of it 58 were male. So 120 minus 58. 58 was male, so 62 is female. 35 females prefer tea. So this is for female. 35 females preferred tea. 27 preferred coffee. 65. Now what is over here? 65 of the people preferred coffee. That means this plus this is 65. So 65 minus 27. 38 male preferred coffee. So how many preferred tea? Out of the 58, 38 preferred coffee. So 20 preferred tea. Write down the probability that this person is female and he preferred tea. You have one of 120 people who's chosen at random. Okay. You have to write down the probability that this person is female. So how many total females you have? Total female is 62. And out of that 62, how many preferred tea? 35 preferred tea. So number of possible outcomes could be 35. Okay. So you have total set of 120 people, total number of possible outcome, probability that this person is female and she is preferring tea. So how many number of females who prefers tea are available? So we have 35 number of females who prefer tea. Let's go ahead, try this question again, and then we can go. 500 people are surveyed. All of the people were either left-handed or right-handed. 53 of the people are left-handed. So how many will be right-handed? 500 minus 3. 447 will be right-handed. 26 males are left-handed. So from the left-handed, how many are males? 26. The remaining will be females. So we have 53 total left-handed. 26 are male. So 27 will be female. 231 of the people are male. So total number of males that we have are how much? 231. That means this plus this is going to give me 231. So from the 231 males, 26 are left-handed, to 205 will be right-handed. Now I have 447 right-handed people, out of which 205 are male, so 239 would be females. One of the left-handed person is chosen at random. So the total number of possible outcomes would be 53. One person is chosen at random. Write down the probability that this is a female. So number of times the female can come is 27 over 53. Okay. Giving you a next question. Please go through it. Try the question. Let's see at this. Celeb makes a cola drink. He's doing a taste test. He's asking 80 people if they prefer cola A or B. From this 80, 41 were male. So from the 80, male. So 39 will be female. 41 of this male were asked. 22 out of 50 people that prefer cola A are females. So total number of females that prefer cola A. Total number of people that prefer cola A are females. I'll read the information again. 80 were asked if they prefer A or B. Out of this, 41 were male. 22 of 50 people, that means total is 50, that prefer cola A is females. They are females. So a total number of people who prefer cola A is 50. No, total number of females are 50. Think. 52 of the 50 people that prefer cola A are females. That means total 50 people prefer cola A, out of which 22 are females. So I have females. Females who prefer cola A would be 22. So males who prefer cola A, total people who prefer cola A is 50, out of which females 27. So I will have 28 males preferring cola A. Now it's very easy for us. 41 is male, out of which 28 prefer A. So 13 will prefer B, 39 and prefer A. So 17 will prefer B. One of 80 people is chosen at random. So total number of possible outcomes is 80. Write down the probability that this person is male and prefers cola A. So male preferring cola A is 28. So 28 over 80, 28 divided by 80, you can either write it as 0.35 or you can write it as 7 over 20. Okay, try the next sum yourself. Let's go to the next one. 80 people were asked if they like football. 47 were men. So 80 minus 7 of men. 7 of the men do not like football. That means 40 like football. 65 of 80 people like football. Okay, so total 65 people like football. 65 of the 80 people like football. I think this information is not there with us. So total people who like football is 80. No, 65. Out of which 40 are men. So how much will be female? 25 would be female. Now we have total number of females, how many? 33. So 33 minus 25. 8 do not like football. Write down the probability. One of the people who do not like football is chosen at random. So how many people don't like football? 15 people do not like football. So total number of possible outcomes would be 15. Write down the probability that this is a man. So 7 is the number of chances that a man will be there, will be chosen. So the probability that this person is a man would be 7 over 15. Now try this sum. Always first try and then look at the solution. 60 students study a language at school. Each student studies either French or German. 36 are boys, so I say 24 will be girls. 2/3 of the boys study French. 36 divided by 3. 24 study French, that means 12 study German. Okay. 40 students study French. So total I have 40 students who will study French, out of which 24 are boys. So 16 will be girls. So how many girls study German? It would be 24 minus 16. 8 girls study German. Try the next question. 75 of the students either go for football club or rugby club. 50 go for football. How many will go for rugby? 25 will go for rugby. 3/5 of the students that go to football club, they go on Sunday. So they go on Sunday. 3/5 go on Sunday. So what is 3/5 of 50? So 30 people go on Sunday. 20 would go on Saturday. 46 students go to their club on Sunday. So 30 goes to football club. So 16 would go to rugby club. And 25 minus 69 would go to rugby club on a Saturday. So with this, we complete questions on the frequency tree.